Power button not working on your Android phone? Your volume buttons can do the same job. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your volume button into a power button using an easy app. Let's set it up right now. So first, open up the Play Store, then tap on the search icon. After that, tap Button Mapper. Now find the app called Button Mapper by Flare 2. Now install the app. Then tap Open. Slide left. Continue sliding until you get the Open Settings button. Then tap on the Open Settings button. Now tap on the Installed Apps option here. Then tap the Button Mapper and make sure to toggle on and off the option. Then tap Allow. Now select which button you want to use here, like volume up or down. Suppose volume up. Tap on it. Now toggle on the Customize, and after that, tap on Long Press. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Power Dialog, and that's it. Now long press on the volume up button, and here you can see the power dialog. So folks, this is the way you can convert your volume button into a power button using an easy app on your Android phone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.